Will modern motorcycles triumph over vintage bikes in the 2025 Mobile Bay Vintage Motorcycle Show? Join me to find out as I attend this fall show in Mobile, Alabama. This is the 4th year for this show, and the MBVMC tried something new. Establish classes for modern motorcycles and allow the owners of modern motorcycles to participate in the show. This strategy proved to be a big success as bikes of all types came rolling into the showgrounds. There was even a special class for Moto Guzzis by popular demand. Which bike do you think will win over the judges? A brand new modern motorcycle or a unique character-filled vintage steed? Drop your answer in the comments section, and let's get this show rolling.
So that's a 1974 R60 Franken bike. It's actually 3 different bikes all put together in one. It was a gift from my mom for Christmas one year, and yeah, just been cleaning up and enjoying it and really riding. So it's a fun bike.
Tell me a little bit about it.
67 Honda CB 450 KO Black Bomber.
It's in good shape.
Yeah.
Have you restored it?
James Downey restored it maybe 10 years ago.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about your bike.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a 1978 FX. I'm the first and third owner.
First and third?
Bought it new, sold it after my kids were born. 32 years later, got it back from the same guy.
And
I won't sell it again.
Tell us a little bit about it's a shovel head.
Yeah.
Shovelhead, yep. 1978 FX, 74 cubic inch, 1200 cc.
Have you restored it?
62,000 miles unrestored. The engine's been rebuilt, of course. I mean, it's had a lot of work done on it, but original paint.
Well, I've got one of those. That's a
What year is this?
55.
55.
friend gave it to me.
And that makes it a what, a 600?
500.
500.
It's an R50.
But it's not drivable.
Who painted that for you? Mike Porter?
Mike Porter. It's not paint, it's powder coat.
Oh, it's powder coat. Okay.
Yeah.
See, if it's original.
And you put the stripes on it and everything, huh?
No, I did that.
Oh, you did the stripes? Okay.
So I have entered 3 bikes into the show. They're all 3 Triumph Tiger Mountain Cubs. The one you're looking at right now is a 1967. And the one in the middle is a 1964. And the one on the far right is another 1964. They are all 200cc, really cool vintage motorcycles that have been kind of adapted to be like a trials racing bike. Really, really fun. I've converted them all to a 12-volt battery system. And so this is bacon number 1, this is bacon number 2, and this is bacon number 3. And really enjoying this project and working with some other gentlemen, learning how to restore bikes and bring something that was kind of given up on and bringing it back to life. Take it on, America.
Oh, for sure.
I bought this bike back from the insurance company after my son wrecked her. She was completely totaled. I brought her home. It took me 3 months to completely rebuild this bike. Complete frame, everything is new. I brought her back. I carry him with me.
You have no problem getting on the car.
Right.
You don't have to downshift nothing.
Oh, bless your heart. So you lost your son
Yeah.
to a bike wreck? Oh, bless your heart. Well, are you a new rider?
I am a brand new rider.
Really? When did you start riding?
I bought my bike in February of this year.
Okay.
February of 24. And a few months after that, I put 200 miles on that bike. I was too afraid to ride. And I took my time to rebuild her. And I've been riding her a lot more than my NT03. It stays parked.
Did you take a course to start riding?
I did. I took the MSF course, downtown Mobile. Weekend course. It was awesome, but I got to do it in the rain, which, well, I thought it was giving me more experience.
It does.
It's a controlled environment.
Yeah, it gives you a
What
bunch of experience.
better place to learn how to ride in the rain. It was awesome. So I did that, and I decided to take my first really long trip, like 12 miles, here today to come and show Clementine off.
Well, that's great.
Yes, she is my favorite thing.
76 or 75/6.
Dennis, I tell you what Dennis does, you contact him, he's on.
It's been, I guess, it's been repainted, but other than that, pretty much stock. Got it from Tyler. Good bike, runs great, brakes are great. The look, that's why it's here.
All right.
Where you going, forward or back? Oh, okay, I see what you got. These here. Try it now. Yeah. About right there. Yeah. 305 Honda Scrambler from Minnesota to Arizona.
How about that?
Everybody said you'll never make it. Until I got inside the border of Arizona, then they said, you'll make it.
Yes. Yeah, it is very squishy.
And when every time you shift it, pull on.
It's I like to call it. It's agrarian. It's very agrarian because it's a explain what parents is like. It's not a wet clutch. It's like a truck. It's a dry clutch, and it just goes and goes and goes and cuts along. It's not that fast, but 4-speed and kickstart. So the guy got it from, kind of pieced it together, and I finished piecing it together and got to where it is now. Wonderful.
For upside down forks.
Yeah.
So this part is fixed, and that's the telescopic part. And then,
Years ahead of their time.
yeah,
They're
from
just
time
now
to
making
time,
those now.
when you need to lubricate the forks, you can lubricate them through here, and you can take this cap off, and you can lubricate it through here. So that puts grease into the pivots and into the sliders.
Now, do they have oil in them, Richard, or are they just grease?
They're grease.
You got to fill out.
Tell me a little bit about your bike.
2019 V7, the Night Pack Edition. Color is bronze, but in Italian it's bronzo. And it's a fun bike to ride.
Cool.
Oh, wonderful, man.
I'm ready. Good morning, everybody. I'm Michael with Law Tigers Florida Panhandle, and we are motorcycle injury attorneys. So I hope you never need us, but if you do, call 1-800-LAW-TIGERS, and it's a free case evaluation. Handing out some free swag. You can sign up. Law Tigers is giving away a free motorcycle, so just go ahead and scan and register and get signed up for that. But that's yours. Pretty cool.
This is nicely done.
Thank you.
Let's look at yours for
Oh, yes, I know exactly from the outside.
Yeah, but they took it in box.
Yes, I know exactly. I know exactly.
This is so cool. I was like, that is absolutely hilarious.
I know, man. Hey, man. How you doing?
Yeah, low ride them. It's a racing.
I've always liked these Rocket 3s. I just never.
Yeah, but they were wicked fast.
So that's why.
Okay, tell us about it.
Okay, purchased about 2.5 years ago. $1,200. It was a bit of a mess. It was a cardboard box and a motorcycle. I spent a lot of time and effort just refurbishing things like the wiring, hydraulic brake system. Got it running early this year, probably after about 14 months of work, and there was a knocking from the engine. A knocking which I would associate with a crank pin bearing or connecting rod small end failure. So this is a spare engine. It's always good to have a spare engine. And I bought another transmission gearbox so I could have a complete transmission and engine standing by for the bike. So I recently got it roadworthy. This is the longest run I've done today, 48 miles, and it's all working. So fingers crossed, it's going to carry on working.
You got a brand new bike.
Got a brand new one, just got it past break-in, a little over about 1,000 miles on it now.
Tell us all about it.
This is a 2024 V100 Mandello Special. It's the latest update from Moto Guzzi, a totally redesigned engine and motorcycle from the get-go. And it's a new generation. It's 1,000cc. Aprilia, of course, is one of the sister companies with Moto Guzzi, and they not only designed the predecessor engine, but they designed this one as well. And the amazing thing they've done with this bike, to bring it to competitive standards, they were able to make the motor very narrow and tuck the transmission and everything in so that they were able to shorten the wheelbase by 3 inches from the previous models. They've got a 2016 Guzzi, which is sort of their sport bike of that era. And this thing's 3 inch shorter wheelbase, which makes a much quicker handling bike. And they've got 17-inch wheels, very lightweight wheels. If you look at them little these spokes they've got on those cast wheels, it's very lightweight. This thing, if you're used to riding Guzzi's as I am, it takes a little getting used to because it is so quick handling. I've got other bikes, you know, that are quick handling bikes, and this is of that nature.
Okay, are we ready for the awards? This is it. Best of show. This is a toughie. There's a lot to choose from, and the judges, they had a hard time picking. So everybody, thanks for bringing them out. You did a wonderful job. All these bikes deserved a trophy. All right, I wish we could give everybody one, but the overall choice, and just because of its uniqueness and what it represents, being something special, we gave it to Mr. Guy Green with his 2022 Moto Tessie H2 SP. Where you at, Guy? So these bikes are handmade. It's a combination of an Italian frame and chassis with a Kawasaki motor. So something pretty neat. Congratulations. Everybody.